Do you want to fly halfway across the world without emptying the bank? Stick around, because today I'm going to share 10 expert flight hacks that will help you save big, and I'll walk you through how to get the most out of Skyscanner, step by step. Ready? Let's get started. We all love to travel, but let's be honest, flight tickets can eat up a big chunk of your travel budget. Well, not anymore. With these 10 pro tips, you'll book cheaper flights, and we'll show you how to use Skyscanner like a pro, along with some bonus hacks you probably never heard of. All right, tip number 1, mastering Skyscanner's powerful filters. First, head to skyscanner.com or download the app. Instead of entering a specific destination, leave the "to" field blank and select Everywhere. This feature shows the cheapest destinations from your departure city. Perfect for budget-friendly adventures. Tip 2. Find the cheapest month to travel. If your dates are flexible, you can save even more. Skyscanner's cheapest month feature helps you find the lowest fares across an entire month. Just click on the date field and select this option. It's perfect for snagging off-season deals. Tip 3. Book on Tuesdays and Wednesdays for lower fares. Timing matters. Airlines tend to drop prices midweek, so book flights on Tuesdays and Wednesdays for the best deals. And flying on these days, plus Saturdays, can also lower your fare. Tip 4. Use Skyscanner's multi-city feature for cheaper round trips. You can mix and match airlines to find the best price for round-trip tickets, so don't feel stuck with one carrier. Combine different airlines for even better savings. Tip 5. Set up fare alerts for your route. Never miss a deal with Skyscanner's fare alerts. Track the price of a specific route and get notified when prices drop. It's the perfect hands-off way to catch those deals without constantly refreshing your screen. Tip 6. Always search incognito or clear your cookies. Airlines love tracking your searches, so you might see prices rise just because you've looked before. Incognito keeps your search history hidden, so you get the best deal every time. Tip 7. Mix and match with budget airlines. Budget airlines can save you a ton on short-haul flights. Skyscanner shows budget options like EasyJet and Ryanair for Europe, but be careful of those extra luggage fees. If you're flying long-haul, mix and match with a budget airline for the final leg to save even more. Tip 8. Here's a cheeky one. Hidden city ticketing. Sometimes, it's cheaper to book a flight with a layover in your actual destination. Just skip the final leg. But remember, do this only for one-way trips and avoid checking luggage. Tip 9. Search for mistake fares. Mistake fares can get you insanely cheap tickets. Websites like Secret Flying and the Flight Deal track these errors, where airlines accidentally list prices too low. You'll need to act fast, but the savings are unbelievable. And finally, tip 10. Book those off-peak flight times. Early morning or late-night flights tend to be cheaper because fewer people want to fly at those hours. Plus, the airports are quieter. Bonus tips. Use points, travel during shoulder seasons, and track deals. Now for some bonus tips. Use airline points from credit cards like Chase Sapphire or Amex Platinum to cover flights. In India, credit cards like HDFC Regalia Gold or Axis Magnus Burgundy have good travel perks. Also, travel during shoulder season, just before or after the peak, when fares and crowds are lower but the weather's still great. And remember, apps like Hopper predict the best time to book flights, so you never overpay. Now, let's quickly recap how to use Skyscanner like a pro. 1. Go to skyscanner.com or open the app. 2. Enter your departure city and use Everywhere to see the cheapest destinations. 3. Select cheapest month to find the best time to travel. 4. Use the multi-city feature to mix and match airlines. 5. Set up fare alerts to track and get notified when prices drop. 6. Always search in incognito mode or clear your cookies. And that's how you become a Skyscanner flight finding expert. And there you have it. With these 10 flight-saving hacks in our Skyscanner step-by-step tutorial, you're now ready to fly smarter and keep more money in your wallet. Whether you're looking to make money online by saving it or just want to get the best deals. These tips will have you booking trips for less in no time. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel hacks. Happy flying! If you are looking for more budget travel hacks or cheap destinations to travel to, check out these videos for inspiration.